World Radio Gardening, Kidz Gardening. Today we're looking at a range of tools by Bulldog. Bulldog Junior range. They have a good range of spade, fork, rake and a hoe.
This is the spade.
He's not doing a too bad a job. And as you can see, it's got treads on the top of the blade to help you so you don't damage your boots if you've got rubber boots. So what else is in the range then, Junior?
This is the fork, this is the hoe and this is the rake.
Right, now what are you going to use next?
The fork.
Shall I take the spade for you? Is that easy to use?
Yes.
What else would you say about it as a fork? Keep digging while you're talking. Don't stop. I want it dug and finished. As you can see, it's nice and easy to use for a child, and I think now in the junior range we should show people what you're going to use next. The rake?
The rake.
Right, pass me that and we'll put that in the ground here and here. And how do you rake? You've been taught how to rake. I've shown you how to rake, I think, haven't I?
Yes.
Gently, not too deep. Gently across the top. Right, so there's the rake. Now the one thing I haven't shown you to use is the hoe, have I? So let's put that back here, shall we? Now what you do with a hoe, you're normally hoeing down either round plants or down strips of vegetables each side. So imagine that there's two things you can do with a hoe. If this was a raked bed, not very level for raking, but if it was and you wanted to plant some seed, you could use it to draw what they call a line. Then you could sow your seeds in there. So that's one way of using a hoe. The other way of using a hoe is just to hoe the weeds out. If you have weeds there, you just go. See the angle I'm holding it? You try. So now you've used the junior range of tools, young man. How do you find them?
They're very easy and light.
They are. He finds them easy and light to use. That's the junior range from Bulldog. Follow us here on World Radio Gardening for more Kidz Gardening.